Just keep in mind, anytime we have multiplication of two radicals with the same root and multiplication, we can rewrite this expression as square root, because I have square root times square root in this case, as square root of 3 times 3. Okay, this is only for multiplication. 3 times 3 is equal 9. So I have square root of 9. Square root of 9 is equal 3. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at another example. This time we have division. Again, we have the same root, okay? We have square root and square root. Anytime we have the same root and only the same root, we can rewrite expression as radical of these two numbers, the quotient of these two numbers. So I have 125 over 5. Why? Because I have division and I have the same root, square root, okay? I can rewrite this expression as this one. Next, copy down the negative sign. 125 divided by 5 is just 25. Copy down negative. Square root of 25 is equal 5. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have cube root of 8. Okay? If you have difficulties to find the solution to this problem, you can always use the properties of the radicals, and you can always convert that radical to exponential form. So you can say 8 to power 1/3. Remember, anytime we have no exponent, there is always invisible one, and that exponent goes to the numerator and index goes always to the denominator. You have to ask yourself, what number raised to the 3rd power is going to give me a? Someone is asking why we have to the 3rd power, because I have 3 in the denominator. 2 raised to the 3rd power is going to give me a, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. That's why instead of 8, I'm going to write 2 to the 3rd power. And everything is raised to power 1/3. Anytime I have fraction outside of the parentheses, I can make also a fraction inside of the parentheses. Okay, anytime we multiply fractions, because we have to multiply these two exponents, we're going to have 2 and 3 over 3, because we have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. So I'm going to have 2, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 2 to the 1st power is 2. This is the solution to my problem. 7 root of 0. Remember, any root of 0 gives me 0. Okay? This is the solution to my problem.